Okay, so this is a little bit scary. Did you get a notification on your phone? And it was on silent. It actually went full on annihilation. More like, "Urgh." So this is a test emergency alert, a new UK government service that will warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby. In a real emergency, follow the instructions in the alert to keep yourself and others safe. Visit gov.uk/alerts for more information. This is a test. You do not need to take any action. Firstly, how scary is that? They can just randomly give you a message on your phone. What else can they do? So I've gone to the website. Let's have a look at the website. What's that all about? So it's I've not clicked the link just in case. I've gone to the website on my internet. It's gov.uk/alerts, and it's saying 4 minutes ago updated one current alert. I was recording a podcast, and that just went off. I was like, what is this? I thought normally if you call somewhere and it makes that noise, maybe it's like a false call, but it's not. Let's see what the one security alert is. England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. This is a test emergency alert, a new UK government service that will warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby. So that's basically a repetition of what they've sent me via message. What is this? Is there like, this sounds like scary kind of stuff. It is scary. When I got it, I was like, what? Is something really bad about to happen? So emergency alerts is a UK government service that will warn you if there's a danger to life nearby. In an emergency, your mobile phone or tablet will receive an alert with advice about how to stay safe. The government does not need to know your phone number or location to send you an alert. Reasons you might get an alert. So let me read this out to you. Severe flooding, fires, extreme weather. Emergency alerts will only be sent by the emergency services, government departments, agencies and public bodies that deal with emergencies. What happens when you get an alert? The mobile phone or tablet make a loud siren-like sound, bloody scary sound, even if it's set on silent. So even if you're in silent, you're getting it. Vibrates and read out the alert. The sound and vibration will last about 10 seconds. Yeah. An alert will include a phone number or a link to the gov.uk website for more information. You will get alerts based on your current location, not where you live or work. You do not need to turn on location services to receive the alerts. What you need to do: when you get an alert, stop what you're doing and follow the instructions in the alert. Luckily, I stopped what I was doing and I looked at my phone. I was like, what is this? And I quickly realized, okay, they're testing it. It's something that's going to happen. So normally you follow what it says on there. It may say to you, I don't know, go to a safe place or whatever. So following those rules, there's a bit more information here. Let me go back to the screen here. So do not read or respond to any emergency alert while driving or riding. Find somewhere safe and legal to stop before reading the message. If there's nowhere safe and legal to stop and nobody else in the vehicle to read the alert, you can listen to news on live radio to find out about the emergency. It is illegal to use a handheld device while driving, so you can't use this as getting out of like holding your phone while it's going on. If you cannot receive emergency alerts, if you do not have a compatible device, you'll still be informed about an emergency. The emergency services have other ways to warn you when there is a threat to life. Emergency alerts will not replace local news, radio, television or social media. It's like an additional thing. If you're deaf, hard of hearing, blind or partially sighted, if you have a vision or hearing impairment, audio and vibration alerts, attention signals will let you know if you have an emergency alert. Oh my days. Okay, so this is kind of scary, isn't it? What do you think? So it can happen. If you get an alert, just follow what happens. I think they're getting up to date with technology. Normally you'll get like a news on the TV, you'll get a radio signal update, but this is where they're trying to roll it out across more devices. And to be safe, if it is correct, all you do is go to the website and you'll see a current alert pop up here, which then confirms that what you got is correct, and it should read exactly like what you got on your mobile phone or your device. Yeah, okay, so hopefully this gives you a bit of information. It's not a scam, it's actually a legit thing if you're in the UK. Yeah, hopefully this helps you, and I'll see you on the other side. Let's hope we don't get a really scary notification where something's going wrong, because I won't be able to make a video about that. I'll be running away trying to hide like everybody else. See you on one of the next videos here.